Well, hello and welcome back. Thank you for coming back. Today, well, we're not in downtown Cape of Paphos. We're actually in the area called Chloraka. We're right on the beachfront. Have a look at that for a view quite simply that is to die for. Now, without any further ado, I'm going to introduce you to the most beautiful woman in the world, and her name is Chloraka Look at the rear end on that.
Hello everybody! How nice to see you again and again.
And again. Now stick with us. We've come across some wonderful gym machines, and of course we know what happens when that's found. Watching Chloraka LeBouf likes to have a little bit of a monkey around. Take it away, LeBouf. There we are. That's Chloraka LeBouf's favourite machine, and we're going to call it the leg splitter.
Wow, how nice. A bit hard.
I think, well, I don't think. You understand where we're going to go. We're going to go and have a look at that rear end view. So we're going to get around the back end and, well, you're going to get a view to die for. That is for sure. Have a look at that.
Don't be naughty.
Go on, Chloraka LeBouf. I'll have a little sit down. That's it. That's what it's all about. The most beautiful woman in the world showing us that beautiful rear end, beautiful blue sky, some greenery, and it's a beautiful day today, that is for sure. Stick with us, Chloraka. On to the next one. I'm going to sit down and take it nice and easy. As you can see, nice little bench for the men to watch the beauty in their life.
You reminded me my grandfather when he used to take me to this park, and I was monkeying around and he was sitting because he couldn't get up.
Yes. Right, keep going, Chloraka. That's it. Put a little bit of effort into it.
Can you imagine this one comes and hits my nose? Oh my God, you're gonna listen some.
That's not a bad view at all, that's for sure. Right, come on, Chloraka. Shall I have a quick go? Because there is one or two people who said, can we see the rear end of Mr. Paul?
Now.
So it could be my turn. Chloraka, the camera work's going to get better. Off she goes. Now, let's have a look at this one. What's this one? How's this work, Chloraka?
Well, somebody else have to sit on the other side.
Ooh.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh.
Ooh. That's how you do it.
Unfortunately, there is no rear end at the moment.
Rear end. There we are. Let's have a look at, let's have a look at this one.
Because you're sitting on it.
How does this one work? Oh, you've missed this one, Chloraka.
Oh,
Missed this one. This is the one that wiggles the waggle.
You can't.
How did you get it to go? How did you get it to go?
No, you hold in the wrong way.
Am I? Am I
Yes.
supposed to hold it like that?
Yeah.
It's like counterintuitive, to be honest. I'm going to fall off.
You can't, Mr. Paul. Let me show. Let me show you.
Oh, you're going to show me?
Yeah.
Oh, lovely. There we are. Views are about to go up. Great view indeed. On she gets. Chloraka LeBouf. I think it's a woman thing. That's what I think it is. I think it is.
It's just all the men are made by wood. And we are more elastic.
Wiggle those hips, Chloraka LeBouf.
I do. You see?
Right. Stick with us. It's getting a bit hot. It's a great temperature indeed, by the way. We're in the autumn season. Paphos is absolutely paradise until, of course, you start to go on the gym equipment. We've got a monkey now. Right, stick with us. Let's go and have a look at the beautiful blue Mediterranean Sea. It truly is absolutely glistening today. You're not going to get a better view than this on the whole of YouTube all day, that's for sure. So stick with us. Here it comes, and it is, I promise you, a view to truly die for. Have a look at that. So that's the beautiful blue Mediterranean Sea to the rear of the, well, basically, if you want to understand where we actually are, this is Chloraka Beach area, and over there is the King Elephant Hotel. Everyone understands that's the King Eliathan Hotel, but we've renamed it the King Elephant, and it's just over yonder. There's various other apartment complexes, and it's a great place to be, and there's a lot of people monkeying around in the blue Mediterranean Sea. There's bridges, and we're going to go down now and have a look at a nice little private cove, and we'd like you to come with us. We've got some beautiful garden areas as well. It's an area that's a very nice place indeed to be. Various villas and apartment complexes, and as I've said, the King Elephant Hotel is just over there. So it could be a great place for you to come and have that special holiday indeed. Now down these steps here, we will go to a special little cove. Have a look at that. So there it is, the great blue Mediterranean Sea. And there's a few people in there monkeying around, that is for sure. Recife?
It's beautiful, by the way. At the moment being, the water should be very pleasant to swim.
At this time of year, to be honest, it's probably the greatest time of the year to come to Paphos. The temperature, if you're wondering, is around about 28 degrees. The sea is probably around about 24, 25, and you can swim in that water quite comfortably, probably until late in the evening, and then do it all again the very next morning, that's for sure. Recife LaBouffe, he's going to cross a bridge. Have a look at that. So these are some of the views and some of the sights that you will see if you pop down to the Chloraka area to the rear of the King Elephant Hotel. And you've also got the Aki Beach Village Resort, which is just over there. How'd you say it? Akti Beach. So that's where we are, Akti Beach Resort and the King Eliathan Hotel, and that is on the plage or the beach area known as King Evelton. Well, my pronunciation is completely and utterly Sherlock Holmes. We understand that. Let's go and have a look at that great view, and we're going to follow the rear end of Recife LaBouffe.
It wasn't here the last time.
No, they've now put up, should we call it, a rather attractive looking little fence which stops hopefully people walking out onto these rocks, because we understand if you do pop out onto these rocks, as beautiful as they are, if you slip over, well, it could be absolutely catastrophic. But have a look at that for a view. The big ship out yonder, well, that crashed on the Paphos shore in 1985. The crew loved it so much that they decided to stay for the rest of their lives. The Ocean Flyer in the very distance on the horizon, that's off on its journey out to Coral Bay. It's a great place for you to come and have that great holiday, that's for sure.
Oh, it's amazing, by the way. We should go further down to see something
Right,
else.
we're going to go further up because Recife LaBouffe has seen something, so we'll follow the rear end and see where she's going to take us as we wiggle and we waggle. There we are.
And believe me or not, I'm sweating.
It is hot, yes. It's
Oh
very
no,
hot
I'm
indeed.
inspiring.
Inspiring, there we are. She's confused her English again.
Perspiring.
Aspiring. Slowly but surely, her English is becoming, well, way better than my English, that's for sure. Let's have a quick look. What is it?
It's when you make a massage.
Ooh, here we are.
You go inside.
So if you want to have a massage, this is the place to go. It's not open at the moment, but we have noticed as we wander around on our travels that more and more beaches are offering that service. So one assumes that you can have a full head massage, a full body massage.
And down head.
What was that?
Up head and down head.
We're a family channel. Anyway, stick with us.
said anything
Nope, she hasn't said anything wrong. I'm going to show you that great view again, and then, well, we're going to give you a very goodbye. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like to see that little bit more of our madness, please hit the like, click subscribe, and come back for a little bit more of our madness.
I would like to tell you many thanks for watching, and I would like to tell you that we are humbled indeed that we have all you. You, our loveliest, amazing, wonderful luxury. I don't know how to call you all, but you are our dearest people. Thank you for support. Thank you for all you do. For the time, the most important, and we are loving you to bits. and we will never forget that we have you, and we will try to put in your hearts a little bit of more fun. And I wish you be all happy, and many kisses, and bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. I'm going to leave you with that truly spectacular view of the blue Mediterranean Sea. Have a look at that.